Hi, I'm Joshua from SharePad, and in this video, let's have a look at the homepage feature. Right at the top of the homepage, you'll find our latest articles and insight, such as some commentary by Richard Bedard or Bruce Packard. Clicking on an article heading will take you to the full article, and clicking on an author's name will take you to all of their articles. In the top right, you'll find our latest tweets, where we highlight insightful comments, blogs, and links from other subscribers, private investors, and journalists. Below are the top 10 most searched for instruments from the last 24 hours. Clicking on an instrument provides options to add it to a portfolio or to be taken to that instrument. Now to return to the home page, click on the Home button on the top left. Next to the top searches, you'll find our Support and Training section, including your SharePad Essential tutorials designed to help you get started. You'll also find there some quick tips and the Screen of the Week. Clicking on the Screen of the Week and then on Confirm will take you to that filter. And now back to the home screen. In the lower right of the home screen you'll find our SharePad chat. And next to this you'll find our technical support contact information. Feel free to contact us as often as you need, with no question too big or small. And during our business hours, we'll be there to help you with that. At the very bottom of the home screen you'll find a tick box option to turn off the home screen if you so wish, or to turn it back on again. This can also be done from the options menu in the top right. Become a better investor with SharePad and discover the advantage. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more quick tips, features and tutorials.